Want to download free music directly to your iPhone without needing a computer? Here's the fastest way to do it. Open Safari and head over to incompetech.com. This is an incredible site that offers a massive library of completely free, royalty-free music. Tap on royalty-free music at the top left. You can easily filter tracks by feel, tempo, or genre to find exactly what you need. Tap any track to preview it. Once you find a song you like, tap download as MP3. Then confirm by hitting download on the pop-up. Look at the bottom left of your Safari search bar, you see a blue download arrow appear. Tap it, select downloads. And you'll see the new audio file. To keep your tracks organized, tap the song and hit the share icon. And scroll down to select save to files. I highly recommend tapping the folder icon on top right to create a brand new folder called music. Select that folder, hit save, and you're done. Tap the track to play it. And the best part, to listen to your downloads anytime, just open your iPhone's native files app, navigate to on my iPhone, and open a new music folder. Tap the track to play it. The best part, you can lock your screen or use other apps and music will keep playing in the background right from your lock screen controls. If this quick tip helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight to the point tech tutorials. See you in the next one.